Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phoebe Nubisi, and today I am on part 3 of building a Copilot Studio Agent that is built using some skills. Just to show you a brief architecture of it, I went to on the other videos, but to let you know that it's a parent agent that uses some skills that are just some instructions and procedures that cause some flows that run some actions. And we have session skills, intake skills, assignment skills, estimate skill, report skills, notify skills, knowledge skills. And the database that we have Dataverse. We use also SharePoint for the knowledge search, and we have Outlook and Teams to notify the users. So in the previous videos we added some estimated drift where the user will want to re-estimate some part. Let's say a part had maybe 1 hour estimated time, and now the user says, now I want it to have 7 hours because there is this reason and that reason. And then the system will call the analyze estimated change to see the percentage of the change ratio. If it's more than 25%, like this guideline says, estimate rise need confirmation, changes over 25% need approval. On the previous videos we couldn't do the approval because I didn't add the request multi-stage approval and the request approval workflow. Now that I have them, let's test this, guys. So what we will do, we will say, let's go to our database where we have everything. Let's take maybe 5 items, 5 parts. Let's say give me the estimated hours for below parts. So it will use find estimate, and if it doesn't exist, it will tell me that there's nothing, it doesn't exist yet. So it's routing it to the right skill, you see, and then it will tell me that it doesn't exist yet and will ask me if I want to create it. I will say yes. It's calling the right tool because that's what the skills say. It will say not found. I will say okay, create new estimate for all of them and put 1 hour and reason initial estimation. So it's confirming first. I will say yes. So it's doing simultaneously and is calling the offset estimate. So all of them have been created. So I would say change the estimated hour to 5 hours, and reason change needed now. So it will do the analyze first. It's calling the analyze estimate change, and it says because the change is 400% must go through an approval process before it can be saved. Would you like me to submit this approval? If so, please provide the emails of the approval. I will send it to me. So let's send this to ourselves. So it's calling request approval. And I received the approval here on my Teams. Let me open my Teams Windows. Let me add a scene for Teams. Yes, so For some reason, it keeps timing out. Even if I was using the multi-stage, it times out. I need to find out how to counter that, but it's working. And yeah, we have tested some great tools here. So what we will do next is that we will add another skill, and the skill that we will add is called report. Because we had tested in the previous videos, the report was not working. So let's put a skill that will call Power Automate to generate the Word document and the Excel document. So I just need to add those report here. Generate report, export. So now that I have those, I will copy their name. Oh no. Oh no, I'm making a mess. I need to be more cautious about the naming conventions that I use for workflows everywhere, because I got lost. I had to copy and paste different names convention all the time because it's not fixed. So let's publish this. Okay, so let's add the last skill. The last skill for today will be the notify. I could also upload the skill file because I have it, but just to show you the steps, I will type it. This notify will make notification on Teams and on emails as well. Teams, chats, and on emails. So let's add the chat, email, and then channel. And like the other one, I need to copy the right name. Okay, I think I have everything. I need to publish again. All right, everything is published. Let's say hello to make sure that there's no error in my new modification. Okay, indeed there is error content. It says content invalid HTML. Let me refresh first. That is why it's not good to make a lot of changes at the same time. It's good to do one by one. So let me delete this one first and publish and see if it resolves it. It makes that error when it's not able to resolve the names of the workflows that I have put inside the skills. That's why it's good to add one by one and not many changes at the same time. When you do one by one, you are able to target what is the error really quick and modify it. But here I added 2 new skills and I had to modify the name. So yeah. So let's say if the error still comes, the error got resolved. So let's get the notification first. We will come back to the previous one after. Let's say ping this person about this month drop off. That means like send an email, send a chat. So it's calling the right skill and it will send to this person an email. Yes, make sure to get the month drop off first, because here it was already making the message. So now it has all the data, and then this is the Teams chat that it was sent. I say yes, it looks good. So it's calling the right Teams chat post, and we just received it. I will change the window so that you can see on Teams. I hope you are able to see this window, because Teams, I'm not sure what's happening to the Teams window. So this is how it looks like. It have received it. Hopefully you have seen it as also. And yeah, so I would say send an email notification to. So it's calling the right flow and say it sends. Okay, that's fine. So let's come back. Let's add the export to Excel function again. One moment. Yeah, so this time what we will do, we will just upload the skill instead of writing it from scratch. Upload our skill and open it. The difference is that, like you see, we cannot modify it. We cannot modify it, so it's done. It's done. So let's publish it, and then once we publish it, we are going to test it. It's taking a little bit of time. So now that it's done, let's make sure that our agent still results fine. Export to what all our drop off of this month. Yeah, it's using generate word report, my flow that I have. Now it's calling it. Yeah, so it's built in the SharePoint QC report. So let me go to the home. Go to QC report right here. It's right here, so I can open it. Well formatted, everything. So guys, we have everything. I can also export in Excel as well, and it will surely work. Thank you. See you on the next video. Let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to explain to you. Thank you. Ciao.